Hi guys, how are you? It is the start of our new module this week, and here is our objective, our target, as well as the things you're going to be able to do. So again, our target this week is that you are going to be able to count objects into piles of 10. These are your targets that you're going to be working on, your skills. I can sort objects into two groups. I can count up to 10 objects. I can tell how many times I counted 10 ones. So the last one, that's gonna kind of be our new skill that we're working on. So that's what we're gonna work with today as a whole group. My table, I have a table here, and under the purple paper, I have different objects, but I want you to make sure that you're just focusing on the one object that I'm showing you. And in this object, you are either gonna say, yes, Mrs. Sellers, the objects are exactly, or have 10, or no, Mrs. Sellers, the objects don't have 10. And we are gonna put the sticky note in either the yes or the no side. So if we look at this right here, our hexagons are our first object that I have listed. So you guys go ahead and count, and I can point to them if you need me to. Did you guys get 10? Or did you get less than 10? I got 9. So I'm going to say no, my hexagons, they do not have 10. So I'm going to put my sticky note right there. All right, here's my next object. It is pencils. Will you go ahead and will you count those, and I can point to them as well? All right. Yes, the objects have 10, or no, they do not. I got that the pencils, there was only 5 of them, so no. Oh man, boys and girls, have we gotten anything that has 10 objects yet? Not yet. Hopefully there's something underneath. All right, let me grab, oh, should have done this differently. Oh, that's okay. All right, let's go to our circles. Go ahead and count those circles. Yes, the objects have 10, or no, the objects do not. I only got 4, so I know that 4 is not 10. Oh my goodness, hopefully I put some things under here that have 10. Let's go to our next object, which is Q-tips. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and point to them as you count. Ready? Did you get 10? When I counted them in my head, I got yes that they had 10 on them. So I'm gonna put my label for Q-tips right there. All right, here's my next one. It is squares. Go ahead and I will point to them. Do the object, or did our squares, is it 10 or less than 10? I got 10, so I'm gonna put my sticky note there. All right, we have 2 more ones left. Our next one is going to be cubes. Let's check those cubes out. Did you get 10? I did. I'm going to put my sticky note right there. And then our last and final one is going to be zip ties. Whew. These ones got a little smush, so let's spread those out. All right, let's go ahead and count them. I'll start from the top. Ready? I think that might have been our trickiest object. Do those have 10 or no? I got yes, there was 10, so I'm gonna put my sticky note here. So if we look at this, my friends, this is the next part of our target, and it says that you're gonna be able to tell how many times that you counted 10 ones. So again, this is our new skill. What that means, boys and girls, is we're gonna look at our little graph right here, our chart, and we are gonna count how many of our objects had exactly 10. We had Q-tips, the squares, the cubes, and the zip ties. We got 4 groups of 10 ones. So I'm gonna write the number 4 on that line. How many times did we count 10 ones? We counted 10 ones 4 times. And again, it was with the Q-tips, the squares, the cubes, and the zip ties. All right, boys and girls, listen very carefully because you hopefully have your new packet that you picked up last week from your wonderful Maestra Laura and Maestra Yesenia. What you'll notice is you have these possible pages in the front. We don't need these yet, but do not throw them away because we're gonna need these in the next couple lessons. So if you'll just put those to the side, the next thing I want you to look at is if you have a colored packet, these are gonna be your sprints. So this is something that for me, for you tomorrow on Tuesday, I would like you to warm up with writing your numbers from 1 all the way to 100. So this is something that you can do throughout your day. If you don't want to sit right away and just write all of them, you can do a couple of numbers, go do something else, come back, write some more numbers, go take a break, come back, write some more. But I do want by Tuesday, all of your numbers from 1 to 100 to be completed, okay? The second one, most of yours are on white paper, but I ran out, so I had to use mine on colored. This is going to be your lesson for today, and it's exactly what we did at the table today. For me, I just want you to do the very first page, and that is it. So again, your page says that you're gonna circle all the groups that have 10 ones. This is like what we did. However, I didn't circle them. I just put them on a sticky note and I said, yes, they have 10. So you're gonna circle the groups that have 10. And then again, how many times did you count 10 ones? That answer should be, again, how many of the groups that you circled. So you'll go back and you'll count your circles. For today, please just do page 1 on the front. We are gonna do the second page on Tuesday. So thank you guys so much. Have a great day. We'll see you Tuesday.